And switching gears, nearly 200 racehorses were sidelined over safety concerns. This comes after officials and the public say the horses showed alarming signs of severe distress.
And they did. It prompted an investigation, actually, from the Oklahoma Horse Racing Commission. And now some of those horses, they'll soon be back on the track. This is after one of the trainers involved in the investigation asked a judge to intervene. News 4's Abigail Franklin has been following this case closely. She joins us now in the studio with the latest. Abigail.
Well, Dylan Mecca, this was first reported on by the Pollock Report. Court documents say the trainer and the horse owner claims since entries for $1 million prize horse race closes on April 29th, they will suffer immediate irreparable harm if the court does not intervene. A district judge placed a temporary restraining order against the Oklahoma Horse Racing Commission. Now 62 horses in unknown conditions can now race.
Cleveland County judge issuing a temporary restraining order against the Oklahoma Horse Racing Commission on Friday, meaning at least 62 horses in unknown condition are now eligible for racing. On Thursday, News 4 told you about an emergency protective order against 3 trainers who race horses at Remington Park: Josue Jacob Garcia, Jed H. Vane, and Leonard Alcala. The Oklahoma Horse Racing Commission saying a number of horses were showing signs of severe distress post-race. This video obtained by News 4 shows a horse in distress after racing. Chris Heine, equine specialist at Oklahoma State University, says it's clear the horse is struggling.
He's certainly struggling, and so the posture of the horse is abnormal. His head is lowered, his gait is stilted, stiff. He doesn't look like he's comfortable moving forward, so he has everything that would say the horse is in pain.
Since the protective orders were filed, trainer Jed Vane and Oklahoma horse owner Matt Dunn asked a Cleveland County judge to grant a temporary restraining order. The order prevents the OHRC from deeming horses ineligible that are trained by Vane or owned by Dunn for any reason. According to documents from the commission, Vane trains 62 horses that race at Remington Park. Of those 62 horses, Dunn owns 44. The other 2 trainers involved in the investigation opened by the commission are not named in the restraining order.
The Oklahoma Horse Racing Commission tells me in a statement, every choice we make is driven by our unwavering dedication to the welfare and humane treatment of these horses. This responsibility remains at the heart of our actions. The path forward is certainly not as simple, but our commitment to protecting these remarkable animals and upholding the integrity of racing will continue. A hearing is set for April 28th at 10 a.m. 109 horses are still ineligible to race at this time.